That's the clip. Got some precious cargo back here.
Let's go, baby. All right. 15 minutes to Torrey Pines. Whoa, this is gonna be good for the Rampage right here.
Boy, got someone in the back.
Oh, sorry,
Jesus. How you doing back there,
Good
Eric?
thing this Rampage got some suspension on it.
All right, we're here. So we cannot find a parking spot here. It's like on the cliff, on the beach on a Wednesday. There's normally nobody here, even on weekends, and it's just completely packed with cars. And we see all these kids walking with backpacks. They go to UCSD, which is like 1.5 miles away, so they're all using this free parking lot to park here and go to school. Get out of my parking lot!
You need a Rampage.
Yeah, if you park here, you need a Rampage. Rip through this dirt. UCSD students, get the Rampage, park out here, save $800 on parking. It'll pay for itself. Ben, I just gotta take a second, show everybody your shoes, man. Looking dapper.
I came to
Look at
ride.
that. Where'd you get those?
Target.
Target, damn.
Buy one, get a second pair free. You should see the black ones. Dude, I don't know what we were thinking. Thought we would dress up today.
Very nice.
For the dirt.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very fitting for this beautiful bike here.
Just the environment. I'm gonna back up right here. When you're out of the water, that'll be your ending. Nice.
So Ben and Eric are off getting some shots with the Roadster right now. I got a bit of time. Got the Rampage right here. Let's have some fun. Look at this dirt lot. Oh man. Hey, oh man, that was fun. All right, so here's the shot. I'm up here. This is kind of the end of the parking lot, beginning of the cliff. I'm gonna try and make it all the way down to the end of this cliff without stopping. Wish me luck, let's go. We're there, baby. We made it. Let's try and go back up. There you are, right where we started. Downhill, uphill, rocks. No problem. That's the Rampage with 8-inch tires. You're gonna get better hill climbing and acceleration with the 6-inch tires, with a bit more obstacle clearance and smoother ride over rocks with those 8-inch wheels.
So I should be on the other side of the bike. Yeah.
All right, that's it. We got our content.
It's a wrap, baby.
How you feel about it?
I'm gonna pop back in here.
Where's Ben? Is he locked out?
Yeah, I'm locked.
Oh shit.
Somebody help me.
Help!
Yo, if y'all... All right, thank you everybody for watching. If you enjoyed the vlog, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to see the next video first. We'll see you in the next one. Trying to get out of here. Eric's back here holding on for dear life.
Holding all the gear down and myself.